Hello and welcome to CoinLags. Today we are going to learn how to use double top and double bottom formations. What are the double top and double bottom formations? Double top and bottom patterns are chart patterns that occur when the underlying investment moves in a similar pattern to the letter W, double bottom, or M, double top. Double top and bottom analysis is used in technical analysis to explain movements in a Bitcoin or other coins, and can be used as a part of a trading strategy to exploit recurring patterns. A double top has an M shape and indicates a bearish reversal in trend. It is not as easy to spot as one would think because there needs to be a confirmation with a breakdown to support. A double bottom pattern is a technical analysis charting pattern that describes a change in trend, a momentum reversal from prior leading price action. The double bottom looks like the letter W. The twice touch low is considered a support level. The advance of the first bottom should be a drop of 10% to 20%. Then the second bottom should form within 3% to 4% of the previous low, and volume on the ensuing advance should increase. The double bottom pattern always follows a major or minor downtrend and signals the reversal and the beginning of a potential uptrend. Remember, double top and bottoms are important technical analysis patterns used by traders. We recommend high time frames when using this strategy. Now let's examine our double top formation through an example. When we look at the Ethereum daily charts, if you notice the line we draw here, we have two obvious touches. Before that, we have a rising trend. Price makes higher highs and higher lows. And if you look carefully, it's a double top formation, and these are definite double top touches. Price finds a resistance in a same point. And as you can see, right top is lower than the left top. This is also gives us a strong double top signal. And also after the double top, price is break down this support level and making it a resistance and taking a good retest to resistance. After all of these bearish signs, if you take a short position, you can see it's a huge profitable trade. Now let's examine the double bottom formation through an example. If we look at the last Ethereum daily charts, if you notice the line we draw here, we have two obvious touches. Before that, we have a falling trend. Price makes lower lows and lower highs. And if you look carefully, you will see that is a double bottom pattern, and these are definite double bottom touches. Price finds a support in the same zone. What we say in double top, we can say the same thing in double bottom, but this time right bottom must be higher than the left bottom. After that, we can say it's a strong double bottom form. As you can see here, price breaks the resistance and closes the price above of it. And after all of these bullish signs, if we take a long position from here, as you can see, it's another successful trade. For the last information, double top and bottom patterns typically evolve over a longer period of time and do not always present an ideal visual of a pattern because the shifts in the price don't necessarily resemble a clear M or W. When reviewing the chart patterns, it is important for investors to note that the peaks and trough do not have to reach the same points in order for the M or W pattern to appear. For not to miss these double top and double bottom signals, you can create an alarm on CoinLags. You can also use our custom signal tool for your trades as well. You can also use our application to not avoid these alarms you created when you are not at your computer, or you can use our auto trading solution on LagsBot without needing anything. Learn and earn. CoinLags. Thank you for watching us today. See you next time.